room renovation vlog begins. So I need to move everything out my room. Mum and Dad have already took like stuff down off the walls and things like that. And we're getting it painted tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you my room just now, and then obviously you'll see it like getting painted and things like that. So you come in the door, and then I've got on this wall, I've got photos here, then I've got my big desk here, and then we come around and I've got like these calyx units from IKEA. So I've got a big one and then I've got two little ones. Then we come around and usually I've got curtains and blinds here, but they've been taken down. And we've got my bed and my sofa bed. I've got a print on this wall. Here, tonight's job is to take all the stuff down off the walls and move all the furniture into the middle of the room. And then I need to also take like clothes and that into the spare room, so as I've got clothes for tomorrow.
Maybe we need the boys to move it. Let's see, you go outside.
Oh, we've got grey walls, we've got grey walls. Ooh, so excited. So we got all the walls painted and all the skirtings done. They look so clean, it's so good. Yeah, so like I really appreciate clean skirtings. That's so sad. But yeah, that is day one of room. The wallpaper is going up tomorrow. I need to get pyjamas out of here from that drawer, like third down there.
2 hours later.
All that for pyjamas. Oh my gosh. Try to build two simple IKEA legs for the past half an hour now. Wherever they are. Mum, they don't look right.
I think you attach it to the off. You take the wee bits off and you screw it in. Right, hold on, get a picture up. I think they look right.
Okay. Should we just put the tabletop on top and hope for the best? Okay, very slowly but surely we're getting here. We've got my wee unit. I still need to make up the boxes for these, and that's getting like gold legs put onto it. They've just not arrived yet. I've got my TV. I've moved it like at an angle, so as when I'm sitting at my desk I can watch like YouTube videos, because I can't really see my TV from my bed anyway. These, I'm going to take the handles off and spray them like gold. I've got the spray paint for it. Then we've got my chair. My gosh, I love this chair so much. It's so nice. It's got gold legs on it. And then my sofa bed, that's coming out. Thank fuck, because I hate this piece of crap. And then this is literally everything from the units all emptied out. I've put a wee plant in the corner. I think this corner is a bit too cluttered for my liking. Obviously there's like stuff on that table there, but like we're getting there. I mean, come into my dressing room, it's still a mess because the mirror still needs hung, things still need put places, but you know, like I feel like we have made more progress than I thought we were going to make. Right, one of the last things that needs done for my room to be complete is I'm putting these little legs on this IKEA unit. So I'm just going to measure like in and then along and just screw them in.
So I need one like 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put some flowers here. I'm just going to try to do those. Thank you. I need to slow it first. So I think I'm going to go with that.
Oh, perfect time to start this video when we're hungover. I thought I would do a little final room tour. I love it so much. Thank you to my mum and dad for letting me get this done. And yeah, let's just show you because I love it so much. I'm so happy with it. It's fucking bougie, like I just love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, let's just show you. Okay, so this is as you just walk in the door. I'll do a little pan round for you. Oh girl, she's so fancy. But we'll start from the start. So, come in the front door. We've got this little doorstop. Cute. This is probably about like the weirdest thing in here now, but I like it and it's staying. And then we come round and we've got this unit. So, if you watch my other video, you will have known this was like standing upwards as a bookshelf with like another 2 units here. So we took the other 2 units away, which were so cluttered anyway, and I've made this. So I basically bought the boxes from IKEA, and then I got legs. I don't know if you can see the legs. Little gold legs. I'll show you them up close. They're quite pretty. Little gold legs off Amazon, and I basically just like drilled the legs on and made up these boxes. And then on it I've got a little print that Abby got me for my Christmas, a Dirty Dancing print. Very cute, very me. And then I've got some flowers there, and I've got little like cacti and things like that. So then we pan round and I've got like my little like getting ready section. So I've got my TV here, which has turned out very handy because I can play like my Spotify and stuff on it when I'm getting ready. And then I've got this unit which holds all my like everyday makeup, and the little handles I just pre-painted them goals. And then on top I've got my makeup brushes and my like Wi-Fi router thing there. This desk from IKEA, the little legs were really cheap. I can then link everything down below. And then we've just sat the tabletop on top. We've just held it in with like command strips. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, there's like command strips in there just to hold it in place. And then on top I've just got a wee mirror which is getting replaced with one that I've got for my birthday. And some candles of my little Chanel bronzer. This little cacti thing is from TK Maxx. And then I've got this chair which I love so much. This was a Christmas present from my mum and dad, so I'll need to see where my mum got it. It looks very like clean, but it's before it was dead cluttered. So then we pan round. On this wall I've got these little, I'm probably better showing you from here, these little frames, and they've got some flowers in them and just like pictures and stuff. I wanted to have somewhere to put my pictures, but I didn't want to mark the wall by like sticking them up, so I thought this was a really nice idea where we've just got like little glass frames, and I've got like some Polaroids and stuff in them. And then we come round and we've got like my bed, which just looks so nice. I got a new bed in November, which kind of started the whole room makeover. So I got the new bed and the bedside tables, and then from there I was like, you know what, fuck it, we're doing everything. Again, the bed's like a storage one, so you can just like lift it up. All the pillows and everything were pretty cheap. I'll link all of them down below. And then on this wall I've got this little shelf, and on it I've just got a wee candle and some plants. This wee plant is quite cute, it's got a wee face on it. The only other thing that's getting put in here is I'm getting a hanging plant hung. I've just not found like the perfect plant to put in it yet. So down in this corner I've got my record player, and then behind it I've got a little storage basket thing that my mum got me for my Christmas that holds all my records in it. And then I've got this wee bedside table which just has some books. I actually read this book quite a lot, Milk and Honey. Probably most of you know what it is, but the wee tables were from Tesco again, pretty cheap. And then I've got a wee plant on top of it as well. And then we come over, and on this side I've got a wee plant here which again was from Matalan, I want to say. And then I think the plant inside my mum said was from like Sainsbury's or something like that, so again pretty cheap. And then up on this wall I've got a wee mirror which again was pretty cheap, was from Matalan. And then lastly the wallpaper. It doesn't pick up on camera, but it's like shiny gold. So I'll show you from quite a far back what it looks like. So the wallpaper was from a website called Graham & Brown. The wallpaper was the most expensive thing in doing all of this, like obviously the wallpaper and the paint. But the wallpaper was from this website called Graham & Brown, which is like really nice quality wallpaper. We've used it in like most of the rooms that we've done up, and the paint on the walls was from Crown, and it's like a kind of like mix your own one, so you just like pick a couple colours to go in it and mix it. But I really like the way that the paint turned out. So I didn't want to go too dark with the paint just because like I wanted it to still feel like light and airy and not pure boxed in, but I think it's like dark enough where it's made the room feel cosy, especially with the wallpaper as well. Like I think it ties in really nice. It is so me, like it's like that level of bougie that is me, but also it's like incorporates all my stuff that I love in it, and I'm so happy with it. I absolutely love it. Like I love coming into my room now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you whenever for another video.